Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So visit your roblox.com and sign into your account and click on create tab, and then click on view dashboard, and now click on the development items. Now select decals tab and click on upload asset. This will be your crew logo, and simply upload the created image and fill in the name and description in here, and make sure that the image fits the given criteria, and then click on upload. So now head to your home page and click on menu icon on the top left, and click on inventory and select decals. So there you will find the uploaded image, and copy the URL from the address bar and launch Roblox Blox Fruits. So once you have it, then click on the pirate icon and paste the link in the logo link section, and it will show the preview image, and enter your name and click on create. So if you don't know how to create the logo, then you can simply use tools like Canva, which are free, or any other types of apps that you have. Just simply open a blank space in here and just copy and paste, download it from here, and then you may follow the mentioned steps earlier. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.